So I grew up and studied in Rwanda, and it's a land 7 times smaller than South Dakota. And it's almost the size of Massachusetts, which is the seventh small state in the US. So transitioning to DSU in medicine, I found the place to be more quieter, less busy than the spaces I was used to. Um, but still, the people are welcoming. It's a place where I went to evening walks and a stranger stops by to compliment my outfit. But also at DSU specifically, the international program does an orientation in the first week, so you get to ask questions about this new environment you're in. It will be surprising. It is always surprising when I meet someone I haven't seen before at DSU, because usually know at least someone face. So for sure, it's a small school, and I like medicine, especially when it's school time. In terms of activities, because you have friends, and you're running around, going to games. And I've also I like theater, so I've gone to theater a lot of times. So there are two things I'm thinking of that I want to appreciate. Joining the honors program, so on top of, research and classes, joining the honors program has added another perspective to the interest that I have in computer science, with its practicability. And being in a class like one I took this past semester on a seminar, which is a panel style, so you're taking readings and of current happenings in the world and thinking through them and the impact of technology on dealings. And another thing I want to appreciate is the flexibility that I got from DSU's coming into college at DSU, because from my high school background, I had taken some classes and related to computer science, some introductory classes. I was able to fast track the curriculum given that experience, and now I'm going into my senior year. Well, it should have been my third year, so I appreciate that. I plan to go on with grad school and eventually earn a PhD and continue to study how quantum computing, AI can solve pain points in different areas, which I might not be sure of right now, but I'm learning and finding out.